Every day, we receive heartbreaking developments from Ukraine. Roads, buildings, entire cities have been destroyed, displacing millions of people. Fighting across the country is continuing to create dangerous conditions for emergency crews trying to provide aid to Ukrainians in need. Safe and effective ways to deliver temperature-sensitive medical supplies and life-saving equipment are crucial. Working with our channel partner, Coldchain Delivery Systems, Draganfly is proud to announce that our first medical response drone has been delivered to Revive Soldiers Ukraine. This is the first of 3 drone systems that we are donating to the nonprofit organization. Draganfly's medical response drone will help ensure the timely delivery of temperature-sensitive medical supplies and life-saving equipment to dangerous and hard-to-reach areas across Ukraine. To accomplish this, our drone is equipped with Draganfly's temperature-managed Medical Response Payload Box. Our payload box can transport up to 35 pounds of medical supplies, including blood and insulin, vaccines, water, and wound care kits. It can be uniquely top-mounted for ease of access or bottom-mounted for quick-release operations. Revive Soldiers Ukraine has Draganfly's support as it scales up its humanitarian aid operations in Ukraine. In addition to our medical response drone, we have developed 2 other custom drone solutions to support crews on the ground. Draganfly's Situational Awareness Assessment Drone is lightweight, fully automated, and capable of providing high-resolution imaging of hotspots where aid is needed. Our Search and Rescue Drone can be equipped with a variety of interchangeable payloads, allowing it to thoroughly map certain areas, locating survivors before ground crews arrive. Following the delivery of Draganfly's 3 donated drone systems to Revive Soldiers Ukraine, Revive Soldiers Ukraine has purchased an additional 10 Draganfly North American-made medical response and search and rescue drones, with an additional order of up to 200 drones expected. The ongoing conflict in Ukraine has had a profound impact on the entire team at Draganfly. As well as our shareholders and business associates, we are constantly receiving requests from them about how they can support the important work being done by Revive Soldiers Ukraine. Draganfly is proud to be a part of Drone Aid Ukraine. This initiative is committed to ensuring that Revive Soldiers Ukraine has access to the drones and medical supplies it needs. Please head to droneaid.co to give what you can. Every donation counts. Now is the time to come together to ensure affected Ukrainians have access to the humanitarian aid they require. Thank you for your support and generosity.